Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.